Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Can I have your name for the order?
Melissa?
Can I please have a #1 sweet tea ranch, please?
Another #1.
And then another #1, an orange high C.
And honey mustard.
And honey mustard, please.
Actually, tell them Chick-fil-A sauce.
Actually, can I have Chick-fil-A sauce? Guys, I haven't worn Birks since summer, and now I'm wearing these ones with my little Christmas socks. Tay is wearing my mom's Crocs with this little alligator.
Shirt is so ugly, but
Little alligator shirt.
This is all Calissa has. I tried to pick the most ghettoest clothes.
Taya has never had a Chick-fil-A sandwich before, and this is her first bite.
You ready?
Yeah. Is it good? You like it? Today is our 3rd snow day this week. We've literally had 2 days of school. We had Monday off, Tuesday off, and today's Friday, and we have it off. Here's my fit. I'm about to go to McDonald's with Macy.
1 second, please. Are you guys still serving breakfast?
I might just get breakfast sandwiches.
Never mind then, sorry.
No one told me how scary vlogging in public was, guys. And Etsy. This is Etsy. What would Jesus do? What would Jesus do? Lululemon, Nike. God, girl. I'm scared of people watching me, and I'm scared that someone's gonna be like, you can't record in here. Ew, I have hair all over this. Corinne, we have to get a thumbnail. We're eating like health nuts, like we got. She's embarrassed, but so am I, kind of. As you can see, we did very good.
We're gonna make TikTok pasta.
Tell us how you do it, Corinne.
I don't want to save this. There's no need to demonstrate.
Ew, feta cheese stinks.
I love feta cheese.
We're at class here today. It's Valentine's Spirit Week, so
I didn't even need to wear pink. We were supposed to wear red.
I know, but I think this is cute. Basically, someone in our bio class sent out test answers. And since me and Macy were the fastest one to finish, we just got accused of cheating. We didn't even do it. Bull crap. We didn't even do that, though.
I got the nervous twirl.
Got to stop Good morning! We're on our way from our dad's house to our mom's house. And basically, we're supposed to have a fat snowstorm. These are the roads right now. Like, really not, like, awful. They're fine. Corinne got new tires on her car this morning because of this big old snowstorm.
My tires were so bad. Even the guy, he laughed when he took them off and said, these are so slippery. It's bad.
Insert clip of last time there was a snowstorm like a week ago and we almost slid off the road.
At Max's.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, I do that Is that a driveway?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cry.
But basically where my dad lives, there's supposed to be 8 to 11, right? Inches of snow, and then where we live at our
6 to
mom's,
10.
6 to 10 inches. I just need to vlog because I haven't been vlogging in a while because we've just been having a whole bunch of snow days. Like, I haven't done anything because the weather has been terrible. How are you feeling? Snow day. We have a snow day today. It just hit midnight, but we've known that we've had a snow day for literally all day. But tonight we are on Criminal Hunters. We have 3 cops outside. Karen, what do you think it is? We tried to interview her, but she would not answer any questions at this time.
Oh wait, no, that was another cop.
Oh, personally, I think that she just got stuck. We've already gotten probably like 4 inches of snow. So I definitely think that this girl just got stuck. The chase is over, but now there's literally a plow truck going the wrong way on this road. Oh, the cop is pulling over the plow trucks.
Doesn't make sense.
Look. He's pulling them over. Oh my gosh, dude, this is unbelievable. So that's the cop. Those are the 2 plow trucks. That is Criminal Chasers 101.
I want like a fruity drink. So can you just like make whatever, like a refresher or something? I don't know, look at it. I'm gonna be surprised. If it's mango dragon free, I'm gonna barf.
Should I get the matcha?
Yeah.
And then can I have a venti iced matcha with 2 pumps of chai, please.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's so cute.
Hi. Hi.
Is it good? Can I taste it?
Sweet.
Taste test. Ice minty kiwi, strawberry fruit or something.
Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Here. I like it. It's good. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, oh, straw.
You don't need a straw, Melissa. Just do that thing with your mouth. Have you seen it? Just make it like this.
Don't do anything nasty or spit in my drink.
No, I'm gonna show you how to do it.
No, let me just take a drink.
I'm gonna show you how to mix it. Put your mouth on here and bang your head back and forth. I'll do it for you.
That's not a real thing.
Yes, it is. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. You are not gonna like that.
We need to go somewhere and get a straw.
How did you not like it? Jordan literally ordered it.
You don't need a straw, Melissa.
I'm gonna do it for you, okay?
Okay. I'll tell you when it...
Oh no. Oh no.
Keep going.
And she's rude.
Officer, nothing to see here. Dude, I'm so mad! Gren, I need a straw. Like, we gotta get to a gas station. Secured the bag. And the chai is like on the bottom. I need to stir it up. Oh, it's actually better. Stuff's disgusting, dude.
Tastes better?
No.